Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Rashmi here, and today I am going to talk about something that all of us, especially we women, experience and none of us like that, and that's bloating. From my clients and people around me, I keep hearing one common complaint that the tummy is all flat in the morning, but as the day goes by or on certain days, especially towards menstrual cycles, stomach is all bulged out to an extent that they start looking pregnant. We have all felt it, isn't it? Stomach is full, tight, clothes are not fitting well, especially when you have to go out for a party. This bloated feeling is so uncomfortable and at times painful as well. So I have decided to make this video in two parts because I want to tell you so many things that I have worked on myself as well as on my clients and help them in getting rid of this feeling. So today in this video, I am going to talk about what is bloating, what causes it, and what are the things that you can do to get rid of it. Bloating is basically swelling or distension, and here I am referring to abdominal bloating, which is a distended belly. It occurs due to buildup of gas in the gastrointestinal tract. Bloating is caused by many factors. So let's learn about each of these culprits and then you can figure out what's causing your bloating. First culprit is excess air or gas. So how a balloon blows up when it's filled with air, same way think about the stomach. So there are certain foods which can cause excess gas production like beans, lentils, cauliflower, cabbage, broccoli, Brussels sprouts and onions. So try avoiding these foods and see if it helps your bloating. Next culprit is swallowing air, also known as aerophagia. So you can swallow air by what or how you are eating or drinking. And the biggest offender is fizzy or carbonated beverages like soda. They contain carbon dioxide which can cause bloating. You can also swallow air through chewing gums, drinking through straw, eating too fast, or talking while eating. So you know what you have to do. Try avoiding these habits if you really want to get rid of your bloating. Next culprit is food intolerances and allergies. So by eating foods that you are intolerant can cause bloating and excess gas production. Some of the common foods are gluten or wheat, lactose and dairy products, fructose and eggs. My suggestion is to keep a food diary and write down everything that you eat. When you get bloated, then find out the correlation. So if you are intolerant to any food, then reduce their intake or cut them out completely from your diet and see if it helps your bloating. I would also suggest to speak to your nutritionist or doctor before removing any food from your diet. Another cause for bloating is constipation. When your bowels don't empty properly or sit longer in the colon, bacterial fermentation causes excess gas production, bloating and abdominal pain. So drink more water, eat more fiber and exercise regularly to treat your constipation. Next, I want to talk about is sodium. Too much sodium in your diet can cause bloating as it causes water retention, especially around your abdomen. And water retention is hard to alleviate than gas. According to a research published in American Journal of Gastroenterology, high sodium diet increases the risk of bloating to about 27% compared to low sodium diet. So what can you do to cut back on salt? Number one, prepare your own meals with less salt and avoid all kinds of instant products. Use fresh instead of packaged meats, fruits and vegetables. When buying frozen foods, choose those foods that do not contain added seasonings or spices. Read food labels for their sodium content. Select spices and condiments that do not list sodium in their labels. And avoid all kinds of canned, processed and pickled foods as well. Another cause for bloating is SIBO or small intestine bacterial overgrowth, which occurs when bacteria in small intestine overgrows and gets unbalanced. Most of our gut bacteria are located in large intestine and colon. When these healthy bacteria begin to colonize small intestine, then SIBO occurs. These bacteria love to feed on sugars, simple and complex carbs, starches and alcohol, and produces hydrogen gas as a byproduct of the fermentation process. SIBO can cause bloating, diarrhea and poor digestion. So in order to treat this condition, we need to remove foods that feed these bacteria, which are sugar, carbs and alcohol, like cakes, cookies, bread, cocktails, whole grains and legumes. You need to eat plenty of non-starchy vegetables, leafy greens, lean proteins and healthy fats. A good probiotic will also help in this condition. But if in case you suspect SIBO, my suggestion would be to consult your nutritionist or doctor in order to treat it properly. Last culprit is celiac disease. It is triggered by gluten that is found in wheat, barley and rye. One study of 1,032 adults with celiac disease found that bloating was one of the most common symptoms. So you can try switching to a gluten-free diet. Now the question is what to eat. So you can think about including rice in your diet because rice is gluten-free and easy to digest. And you can learn more secrets about rice by checking my video Why I Love Rice. Link is given on top and in the description box below. And that's the end of this video. Try out these things, but if your bloating still persists, then consult your physician or a qualified nutritionist who can help you in figuring out your causes. I prefer doing some of the diagnostic tests like blood test or hormone test and even gut microbiome test, and then base my diet recommendations if the condition is really severe. So in the next part of this video, I am going to share my top 10 tips and tricks to get rid of bloating. So if you like this video, then hit the like button, leave your comments in the comment section below and share this video. Do follow me on Instagram and Facebook page. And before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you get notified about my new videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.